Hello, beautiful people. Do you want to learn how to do this rosy golden eye makeup look? Stay tuned for the tutorial. The Huda Beauty Medium Nude Palette, Opal Highlighter by Becca, and a flat brush, 3 different blending brushes, 2 eye pencils, and a mascara. First off, I'm taking shade 1 and 2 with the fluffier crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease and start using circular motions to blend that out. I'm also going to take that same shadow and go underneath my lash line. Next, I'm taking that plum eye pencil and I'm just going to smudge a little bit on the lower lash line and a little bit inside the waterline. Then I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm just going to dip into that darker maroon shade in the Nude palette and make sure you dust the excess off and then apply it right on top of that plum eye pencil just to give it more intensity and to set that in place. Now I'm taking that crease fluffy brush and I'm dipping into shade 1, 6, and 7, tapping the excess off, and I'm going to start applying that on the outer corners of the eye, fluffing it upwards and using the same circular motions to blend that into the crease. Make sure you do the same steps on the lower lash line until you get that even and beautiful blend. Using my fluffy creased brush, I'm going back in and blending that shadow once again because the secret to a great eyeshadow is the blend. Whenever you think that you're done blending, you should go ahead and blend until you get it perfectly blended out. Now I'm taking my ring finger and I'm just going to use my finger and swirl into that beautiful creamy color that Huda Beauty offers in her nude palettes, and wow, look at that shine. And I'm just going to swipe that onto my eyelid, and once you use your finger applying the eyeshadow shimmers, you get such a beautiful result rather than if you use just a dry brush. I absolutely love this technique. Make sure you try using your fingers instead of a brush. Using my fluffy crease brush, I'm dipping into those matte, darker shades just to deepen up the crease. I'm applying that right into the sockets of the eye and blending it away. Now I'm taking my black eyeliner pencil and we're going to tightline the inner and upper waterline. This step may look really scary, but trust me, it is not once you get the hang of it. And this step will help the eyes have more definition. For the inner corners, I'm using that Becca Opal highlighter with a flat brush and applying a little bit of the highlighter into the inner corners and the brow bone. Now I'm taking my mascara and applying that thoroughly. The key to a perfect mascara application is to wiggle it and turn it upwards. Wiggle and curl, wiggle and curl. Don't forget to do your lower lash line as that will open up the eyes even more. I like to twist this mascara and use the other effect as well. One side lengthens and one side gives volume. This will also have me do 2 coats of the mascara and make sure every little lash is coated completely black and beautiful. This is the finished look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to do a rosy golden glam on yourself. If you did, please make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.